all and welcome back to another video, and in this video we ride from Hyderabad to Nalgonda, and in Nalgonda this is one very famous temple which is called CHAYA SOMALINGESHWARA SWAMY TEMPLE. First of all, the reason why we ride here instead of going to and most happening places like some dams where most of the people are riding, because very recently I have seen a few things about this temple which are very interesting. First of all, this is a very much historic monument. It is built in like 11th and 12th centuries. And second thing, there is one architectural importance to this temple, because if you go into Wikipedia or if you look into some other things where you search for this particular temple, there is always one thing that shows up: the name itself, CHAYA SOMALINGESHWARA SWAMY TEMPLE, which the very first word CHAYA, that means a shadow. So at every point of time, from morning to evening period till the time sun rises or sun exists in sky, there is always a shadow that falls on the Shivalinga. Even though the sun might be on east or sun might be on west, irrespective of sun's position, there is always a shadow that stays on the moorthy, the Shivalinga. So the reason behind is the main four pillars that stay in the middle of the temple. These four pillars collect the light and they project the light beam in such a way so that all shadows will collect and they will project as one single shadow, and that shadow falls onto Shivalinga. So right now we are done with the darshan part, and we are heading back to Rajugari Tota. Once I reach out there, I'll let you know the remaining things. Till then, stay safe. So people, alright, we just came to Rajugari Tota and here we are, and we are about to have some lunch, and after having lunch we are going to push back to Hyderabad. So mostly that's all for today. As of now I can't shoot any kind of action because I don't have a GoPro with me right now. Most possibly I will be get back on track and I might be posting some more videos in the upcoming days. So let's see what can be happening and let's hope for the best, and you people stay safe.